Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're exploring the Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a motorcycle concept that combines Suzuki's motocross-inspired heritage with the idea of a powerful high-displacement machine. Let's take a closer look at what makes this concept so exciting. Bold and aggressive design. The Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is imagined with sharp bodywork, lightweight construction, and aggressive styling inspired by the legendary RM-Z motocross lineup. Its muscular stance and race-inspired appearance make it stand out wherever it goes. Powerful performance. If produced, the RM-Z 1050 would likely feature a high-performance engine delivering impressive horsepower and strong torque. Combined with advanced suspension and a lightweight chassis, it would offer thrilling acceleration and confident handling on both roads and challenging terrain. Modern technology. This concept could include advanced rider aids such as multiple riding modes, traction control, ABS, a TFT digital display, LED lighting, and premium braking components. These features would enhance safety, comfort, and overall riding performance. Who is it for? The Suzuki RM-Z 1050 concept would appeal to riders looking for a unique blend of off-road styling and superbike-level performance. It represents a bold vision of what Suzuki could create for adventure and performance enthusiasts. Conclusion. Thanks for watching King Bike. If you enjoyed learning about the Suzuki RM-Z 1050 concept, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let us know in the comments if you'd like Suzuki to turn this exciting concept into reality.